Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video on the Stobart polo team, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching content like this, and I'm happy to have you guys to talk to so I can do my videos. So let's get straight to it, and yeah, let's do this first unboxing. So this is the brand new for me, Stobart polo team. Lovely box they've made here for the Oxford diecast, and this is the Stobart polo team. This is the Scania. Lovely Scania though. This is a Scania Highland Tours box, and yeah, this is a scale die-cast metal special edition collector's model 176 scale, and yeah, let's get straight to opening it. So I have opened it already just to have a quick look, and yeah, I was blown away when I had a look at it with all the details that they've put into these. So this is her. This is Ivy. She's an F4900. Lovely lorries, those are. The Highland Scanias are lovely lorries because they can hold quite a few horses. Also, when they're turned into horse boxes, I love it how they're just a 2x6 axle. So I love how the wheel setup is on these lorries, and yeah, they're wonderful things. And the screwdrivers for these models. So from when I'm in Spain at the moment, so from where I got it from, they put triangle screwdrivers on, and I find the triangle screws are really good because they keep it really tight. And yeah, lovely all the details are, and the wing mirrors. The number plate is EI90LD. Lovely. And this is the polo team. If you go and check out stobartgroup.com, you could see some pictures of this lorry. And yeah, if I just show you the back of that. And then it's Stobart polo team. If you go check stobartgroup.com, just give them a quick shout out, and then please like and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you can always see my videos. And I love the hubcaps on this Scania green. Let me just quickly show you. Don't know if you can see. That's better. And then yeah, lovely. And then I love how this little red line goes across the bottom with the white top. Lovely. These are really solid lorries. I love how the cap are. And then I love Eddie Stobart for their livery because they're brilliant. And then yeah, also I would like to just give a quick shout out to the company that made the boxes, because the boxes are absolutely wonderful, because I love how they've got the pictures on to show the lorry and the model. Like, that's got the mud flaps on, and also this has got the mud flaps. And if I just read on the back of the box, these scales for adults only, no people should have them. And yeah, this is Atlas Editions, Eddie Stobart, and yeah, so Eddie Stobart is a trademark used under license by Atlas Editions. Scania names are used under agreement with Oxford diecast. And yeah, so if you would like to ask any questions, please just put that in the comment below, and I could maybe answer them for you. And yeah, the boxes are pretty good sizes as well. If I just open this right up, pretty big sizes, so I could get my whole hand in that. Lovely. And yeah, if I just give you that. So yeah, these are wonderful, and I also love how they get these, like on the Eddie Stobarts. They've got as you could see, these little red and white like little lines on the bottom, and also they've put that on the box, if you could see, and also they've got their livery, which is absolutely lovely. So yeah, I'd just like to thank all of you guys for watching these videos, and always click the like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell on, so every time I post a new video you can come and watch these. And yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and peace. Thank you, bye.